Vintage Fan Collector 1939. I'm here with a 99 subscriber special. This is a 1970s Galaxy 12-inch box fan. This is commonly referred to by collectors as the mini box fan. Somebody gave this to me, surprised me with it one day. They surprised it with me one day. It was in their family for many years. And this thing sat in a storage building. That's why the guards are all faded, yellowed. This fan was very dirty when I got it, so I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna clean this up, and it turned out great. If anyone can, if anyone knows about some kind of white plastic restorer that I can get, please let me know. Because I would really like to get the guards on this back to their white original finish. Here's the back, it's very yellowed. So yeah, if anybody can tell me how to restore white plastic like this, I'd love to know. I know a lot of you fan collectors know how to restore plastic, but I don't. Anyway, let's go ahead and start this fan up. It is a 2-speed, and you can tilt this fan. Hang on a sec. All right, I'm back. As you can see, this fan tilts, and yes, it is missing the handle. That was a common thing with these. The handles would go missing. Anyway, let me go ahead and switch the voltage meter or the kilowatt meter to amps. 119.8 volts. 119.8 volts coming in. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this fan up on low speed. Y'all listen to how quiet it is. Listen to that. I bet you can't even hear it. Now, 0.393 amps. Not bad. 0.707 amps on high. It's a little bit loud on high. 0.673 amps. If you can't see it, it says 0.684 amps. Anyway, yeah. I put these rubber bands on the. Oops, one of them just snapped. Caught that on video. One of these just snapped. So I'm gonna have to get that replaced. I've never caught a fan failure on video. I'll have to get that replaced. One of the rubber bands right here. Just oh no. Anyway, let's do a spin down. 0.662 amps on high, but it's spinning down. The switch on this can go all the way around, which I thought was kind of cool. And no, it's not broken. It's Always done that. And look at this spin down. And when you get into this fan, take it apart, you can't get the blade off. I mean, it has one of these. Spin the blade around so you can see what I'm doing. It has one of these tensioning clips on there, but I don't know how you how you get the blade off, because it's really stuck on there. I don't want to break it. So anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.